Honorable Chief Guest of today's celebration, Sri Deshapati Srinivas Garu, Co-Management Members, Sri K. Vijayasena Reddy Garu, Sri M. Narendranath Garu, Sri M. Narsimha Rao Garu, invited dignitaries, all the parents and beloved students. A very warm and cordial welcome to one and all. This event gives us a great opportunity to highlight the achievements accomplished by the school in this session. The previous academic session ended on a happy note, witnessing excellent performance of the students in 10th State Board exams, that is SSC 2015. Four of our students, T. Hrutika, N. Lahari, P. Nishita, K. Pravalika, secured highest cumulative grade point average, 10. And these four are among the top 1300 students of 5,65,000 students who appeared for SSC 2015. 13 students, K. Anvesh Reddy, V. Chandana, B. Dikshita, B. Joshna, J. Kavyasri, S. Niharika, S. Nitish Chandra, K. Pranati, C. H. Sahiti, P. Sharat Chandrika, L. Shantisri, B. Sirishrestha Reddy, VSN Suharshit, secured CGPA 9.8. 5 students, P. Girija Dakshayani, K. Ramya, M. Sivahaindavi, S. Sriharsh, B. Vaibhavi, secured CGPA 9.7. 11 students, B. Arun, K. Bhargava Pavani, S. Chandana, K. Lakshmi Teja, K. Kamala Reddy, N. Prachetan, N. Pranay, T. Satvik Jones, GVS Shreyas Kumar, D. Srimukhi, K. Shruti, secured CGPA 9.5. A total of 55 secured CGPA 9 and above of 139 students appeared, which is a remarkable performance. We, the management, staff, and students take this opportunity to congratulate for their excellent performance and extend warm wishes for their bright future. We wholeheartedly wish all their dreams and aspirations come true. I expect all the students to give a loud applause to them. The present academic year 2015-16 started with a meticulous planning and implementation of CCE pattern as prescribed by State Board. Every year, the planned academic schedule is effectively run with the extended support and cooperations lent by our parental community. This evaluation is based on a scholastic performance leading to the all-round development of the child. Under this scheme, the scholastic part is evaluated by the formative and summative assessment. Students are encouraged to enrich activities by displaying project works in various subjects. Term-wise, we have planned cultural as well as academic schedules constituting literacy competitions, self-governing day, sports events, children's day, orientation and personality development programs for high school children. Coming to the primary students, we have conducted Fruits Day, Colors Day, Janmashtami, Diwali and Christmas celebration, inculcating festive spirit and oneness among the students. Independence Day and Republic Day were celebrated with great honor and patriotism. The effort we put into listening to children, to parents and each other, the thought, the discussion, the deliberation before we launch any new idea, the complete involvement of many, the appreciation of small and big acts, we have established a well-equipped campus with student amenities, providing them opportunity to showcase their scientific temperament. Also, language labs were a big joy for our future. Literates. Many competitive Olympiads were conducted in which our students proved their talent and created their own place and identity. The school prides itself on consisting award-winning performance in competitive tests such as AMT, ANCQ, SIMO, NCO, UIO, NAT, INEO, IMO, So far, a total of 19 gold medals, 9 silver medals, and 9 bronze medals are achieved by our students. Also, few students achieved cash prizes worth rupees 1000, and all the students were given merit certificates. Overall, 42 students got opportunity to compete at national level. Few of the competitive exams results are awaited. In second term, formative assessment 3 and pre-summative assessment 2 is being conducted, and results are also given to the parents. Formative assessment 4 and summative assessment 2 will be conducted in February and March respectively. We have made arrangements for counseling students along with the parents if needed, helping them out with proper counseling and remedial coaching. Parent-teacher meetings are arranged periodically. We cherish parents' cooperation and their constructive suggestions in our endeavor of imparting quality education. Vijayaratna has a tradition of encouraging present academic year toppers and also perfect attendance students. Today they will be receiving medals and certificates through our chief guest. We provide our students to build good vocabulary by effective training given by NIE faculty to upgrade communication skills. We must all remember that family is the first school in any child's life, and their parents are their role models. In school, we show them right direction and guide them to become good citizens of the nation. At the same time, we wish to correct the shortcomings of the past and try to fare better in future. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to all the parents for their continuous support and cooperation that enable us to move forward with confidence. I thank all the staff, teaching and non-teaching, for their dedicated service, which is a key to our success and achievements. I hope this annual day, aptly named Elon, a presentation of dances, skits, and songs performed by the students, is a pleasurable one. Thank you, one and all.